Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. On my birthday today, I was going to take the time off. I didn't get a chance to get back to you yesterday on some Monday Madness, but I wanted to catch up with you today. So hopefully everybody's doing well. If this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always doing these different hacks, talking about different Saas tools. So let's take a look at AppSumo today, and let's see what they have on tap today on this on this Monday Madness edition, but it's on Tuesday. All right, so here's what we have. We have a couple tools here. We have Inboxy, we have Describe, we have Mariana, WeShop, and Spider now. So I looked at all these. For what we're doing, and you'll see even my signature, and then you see this one here, WordPress plugin. This is, what is this? Content Boom or something like that. I didn't see a lot of good tools that I would like, right? And I don't know if you would take a look at any one of them any closer. I did want to discuss on this Monday Madness. Let's look at what's ending soon. I think that would be a good way for us to kind of determine what we should be concentrating on for this week or in the next 48 hours. So we noticed that this particular tool, RealCraft, I've talked about that already. I think some people have taken advantage and had an opportunity to look at that. And then Brilliant Directories, that'll be ending in a day, right? And then you have Puppetry. I've mixed Puppetry with another tool. I think the tool, I forget the name of that tool, but I mixed it with Puppetry. And it's the tool that does the actual, give me 1 second. Let me figure out. That tool is, that tool, I think it's Catalyst. So I think I mixed Puppetry with Catalyst, right? And that was a tool that was out a couple of months ago. But what I want you to take a look at here is we don't lose focus is I do have HireWire. It's pretty good. It's pretty expensive. I ended up going, have made a significant investment in them because their tool was actually better than I thought. So I went up, I think I bought 10 tiers. I think I spent like $700 for that, but I needed that for my youth academy and it works out very well for that. Another tool that's rising and every week they're adding different things to it is Press Ranger. I think Press Ranger is really, really good at what it does. And I did a video on that already. I'll probably post that up above. So I really don't see anything here that jumps off the chart. This is what's leaving soon. Definitely Brilliant Directories. My challenge with my signature, right? And I don't have a problem with my signature personally, but I've seen these different tools. And, it's where you can customize and put your signature. I think that's great. I just don't think that. I think what's more important when I think less is best sometimes in your emails when you're sending out these transactional and or marketing emails. I think that works well for transactional, doesn't work as well for marketing emails. What works well for marketing emails is having your email warmed up and or having a space for people to unsubscribe at the end. That's what I found. And then having your DMARC and having all those different things set up for your emailer, I think is very, very important. But make sure you have an unsubscribe. And I think that is more important to me than a my signature. I don't see anything wrong with this. I've seen a couple of people use it. I don't have a problem with it. It's 17, and this is a Plus exclusive. It's definitely 17 hours left as we look at it right now. But I don't see anything that I see. Like Puppetry is definitely something you might want to look at. I don't even know if I'll do a video on this, but this is more where you can take and you can change. You can put some videos in different languages and you can do some different things with that. And again, but do I see anything that earns our trust in your wallet this week? Unless you haven't gotten Press Ranger, HireWire is a little expensive. If you don't have a plan to deploy something in the HR world, I don't see a need for that. Other than that, everybody should have Insighto.ai. That's ending in 9 days. You definitely want to take a look at that. You definitely want to search my channel and see if you see something on Insighto.ai. Other than that, I really, really do not see anything jumping off the charts here. I may come back and look at Gamify route, but other than that, I don't see anything else. And again, these are some of the new arrivals. And this is for our Monday Madness. Nothing had me screaming, let me go get my credit card. Let me go get my debit card. I didn't really see anything to do that. I think some people personally have sent me some text messages and emails about building an e-commerce business on a platform with a third-party logistics manufacturer. I may take a look at that because I own so many stores that I have, e-commerce stores by Launchcart. I'll take a look at that. But I don't know if I'm going to do anything with that as well. Other than that, that's really it. Nothing else is really, I looked at Inboxy. I saw some red flags there. I don't really want to get into that right now, but I did see that. I did take EezyCollab out for a test drive. I don't know how I'm really feeling about that. I think it does a good job of doing it. Basically what it does is it basically does an AI search for you. So this is something that really, if I took this and maybe mixed it with a maker suite, I can probably get some good juice out of it. Cause it almost takes a different approach to maker suite. It's not giving you the backend information. It's definitely what it's doing is it's taking the amount of followers that a person may have or something like that, but it's not doing any detailed deep dives on the actual. I think what they do is they go to look at it a little closer. It's best for marketers, marketing agencies, small businesses, and you're trying to discover who the influencers are in any niche. And I don't know if they did Instagram. I thought I just saw YouTube. I could be wrong. Okay, you can search Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and X influencers. So you can do that, right? And I think the where it makes sense for this particular tool is at the tier 3, which may be a little rich for a lot of people, because that's at that tier you get to remove the EezyCollab logo and bulk emails and data export and access to influencer metrics. So that's where you get that at the tier 3. But other than that, it doesn't produce a report, right? Which is one of the challenges that I have. You can Excel it. You can export it, but it doesn't produce a report. And so I'll probably come back later. I was going to get to tier 3. I tested out at tier 1. I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep this tool. It doesn't earn enough to still be in my shelf. I still own Social IQ, the influencer. I still own that, right? So I have to. Impulse, that has a Social IQ plugin, does very well. Can tell you who's really lying, who's really what. Impulse does is it goes to a website and says, yeah, this person's got 1 million followers, but less than a percentage is actually being engaged on their platform. So they don't really have that much influence, right? Or a person may add some followers to their, they may buy subs, right? This is how you can, what Impulse does is they can tell you if somebody's buying subs. That's what I like. These other ones are just going out and doing some research, some AI tools and things of that nature. So I don't think this does the best job of that. I think the other one it creates a good report for you, but it doesn't go out and do this out of the 3. I think this is probably one of the least difficult ones to use. And I think it didn't give you as much as the information that I would have liked to have seen. So other than that, that's it for this Marketing Monday. I am, as things start to slow down, I have some other projects coming up. If you are a hackpack member 3 and above, there's a lot coming your way. I've been in discussion with other hackpack 3 members, asking what they wanted to see. And I got a lot. I threw a lot in the hackpack 3 membership. So I'll be putting out a video for that so you can kind of see, because it's going to take you offline. You're going to be doing a lot of more stuff. It's going to probably be about 3 or 4 different perks on there that you never saw coming. You never thought that I would do, but I'm doing now. So anyway, yeah, that's it. other than that, that's all I see. Hey, this has been Jenny Jones. Hopefully you enjoyed this this Monday Madness Tuesday edition. You guys take care out there. I am going back to eat some cake for my birthday. You guys take care. Goodbye for now.